The advantages of switching from QuickBooks POS to Shopify Point of Sale. If you manage a business, you understand how crucial it is to have a solid POS system. QuickBooks Point of Sale was previously a popular option for business owners, but currently, more and more individuals are switching to Shopify POS. In this video, we'll go through some of the advantages of switching from QuickBooks Point of Sale to Shopify POS. The Shopify Point of Sale is more user-friendly. Did you know that Shopify is meant to be user-friendly, even for individuals with no expertise with technology? The interface is clear and simple to use, making it quick and straightforward to teach new staff on how to use the system. QuickBooks POS, on the other hand, can be complex and difficult to use, particularly for people unfamiliar with its quirks. You may request a one-on-one demonstration of Shopify POS by clicking the link below. Benefit number 2. Shopify Point of Sale provides superior customer service. Shopify provides 24/7 customer support with professionals that are easy to comprehend, so you can always receive help when you need it. QuickBooks POS only provides customer help throughout the day, which might be inconvenient if you have a problem outside of typical business hours. Benefit number 3. Shopify is less expensive in the long term. First and foremost, QuickBooks POS has a significant upfront cost. Then, each registration is the same price as the last. It soon becomes more expensive as your company expands. Then, every couple of years, you have to pay it all over again to upgrade to the following version. Next, you must pay for troubleshooting when anything goes wrong, which is common. With Shopify, you pay a monthly charge for unlimited registrants and all features, including support. This makes Shopify Point of Sale more economical in the long term, and it simply works. If you're presently using QuickBooks POS for your store, you might be thinking if it's time to make the transition to Shopify POS. In this video, we've discussed some of the advantages of making that transition. There are several reasons why Shopify Point of Sale is the superior alternative for business owners, ranging from improved customer service to a more user-friendly layout. Click the link below to chat with someone about switching from QuickBooks Point of Sale to Shopify POS.